This is my ingredients that I used to cook in the house. It is eggs, cabbage, sweet potato, cucumber, granite, plantain, potato, what they used to do salad with. It is blueberry, how do they call that name? I forget the name. Yeah, as you can see it, you know what I mean. It is carrot, ginger, you see. It is cinnamon pepper. It is cinnamon, sorry. It is vinegar. And all of this, it is just natural. You understand? That is what I used to cook. Nature did not make it, I will not eat it. It is close. This is turmeric powder. I don't eat oil. I stopped eating oil.